A recent survey finds 62% of Americans plan to experiment with different cooking techniques and recipes while grilling this summer. And we have some suggestions. Why not go big and bold with flavors, but with a healthy twist? We found the perfect celebrity chef to help you do it.
I picked one of my two favorites when it comes to summer grilling. We have the Peruvian chicken, which is really easy to make. Oregano, comino, paprika. We have some of the Peruvian chiles, and we made a sauce here with Greek yogurt, also cilantro, lime juice. They go very well together. And the other dish was the Mexican street corn. It's called elotes, and we made that also on the grill, high heat, so that you can get those marks from the grill. And as soon as they come out, we put some crema, white crema, the cotija cheese, which is very popular in Mexico, and also the parsley. What people don't realize is that you can still make delicious and authentic dishes and keep your heart health at top of mind by using cholesterol-free ingredients, just like the heart-healthy masola corn oil, which also was now officially heart check certified by the American Heart Association. Many times when you eat outside or even cooking at home, you get some aftertaste, right? You get the flavor of the ingredients, but then at the end, you might get this aftertaste. That aftertaste usually comes from burnt oil, which is the smoking point. The smoking point for each oil changes. In the case of the masola corn oil, the smoking point starts at 450 degrees, while some other oils like olive oil, the smoking point starts at 325, 350. In the case while I was making my street corn, I needed it the high heat to get those marks, and I never had an issue. Also, masola, it's an all-purpose oil. That means that you can use it for sauteing, for baking, for grilling. I think it's the best choice.
Chef Yisus is on a mission to promote conscious eating in honor of his mother.
This happened probably a couple of years back when my mother passed away. As soon as she was diagnosed with heart disease, we as a family decided to, change our eating habits and our diet to, kind of help, with the whole process. So that's why I'm here today, to try to spread awareness on conscious eating, and hopefully my family story help everybody to make the right decisions.
Get his recipes and more info at Mazola.com.